I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for March 17th. Happy St. Patty's Day, everybody. Gonna be a fun day. Erin, go brah. All right, let's start with the whispers. We are gonna start with the SPY. So we did get a new level. Not the biggest one yesterday, but still 386.59. Yeah, keep that in mind. Today, though, we're going to be bullish above 397. If you just check out the 5-minute chart, you'll see that there's a lot of traffic right here. Yeah, we got some peanut butter and jelly traffic right there. The 200 moving average exponential is the peanut butter, and the 200 simple is the jelly. Yeah, just a little nickname, what we call them. But it's a wall of resistance. So when I'm mapping out these whispers, I'm looking at the 5-minute chart, I'm looking at the daily chart, I'm looking at the pivots, and I'm looking at the ECN book. So there's quite a few things that I look at to do this. So we're going to be bullish above 397 and bear below 394. The short trade is going to be from the 4 down to the 8. All right, long trade, up we go. So yeah, it's been a pretty good spot. Hopefully we'll get some action on either side. IWM. You can see the IWM is in a weaker position on the daily chart. It's actually already hit the 8. So the next trade down would be to the 15 EMA, or if it can break above the 4. So bull above 230.50. That's why I went there. But just be wary that we have resistance right here at 231. We also have a Camarilla resistance. Bear below 227.50. Let's head on over to the Qs. All right, the Qs also stuck in between the 4 and the 8. Yeah, we kind of have this topping pattern. If we were to close like this, yeah, it would be like an evening star pattern at the top of a channel. Yep. So we'll see if it breaks down below that 8 EMA. Really only going to be bullish above 322. All right, this is a tough trade in there, so watch that. Let's go to the futures, and they're going to be pretty similar. The E-minis. Bear bullish above 39.60, bear below 39.45, major resistance at the 39.50 level. And yeah, bear below 39.45. We've already gone below that, and we did come down to 35, which was one of my targets right here, and bounce. So I would watch the 39.35 level. And also this retracement trade, yeah, down to 39.25. That would be the last stop before major buyers came in. So watch that. NASDAQ futures, bullish above 13,150. You can see there's a lot of traffic as well on this 5-minute chart. Yep, so this is our bull. And bear below 13,050. Let's check out the oil pit. Yeah, so oil, as I pointed out, trend was changing from bullish to slightly bearish. The 4 hasn't quite crossed below it with space. Like you see how it crossed above here with space? Well, it hasn't quite crossed below it yet. So this is interesting. I mean, these moving averages right here are the key to oil. Yeah, the 20 simple and exponential. If we break below that, that's when we really turn into a bearish mode. So watch that if you like to trade any oil. Bullish above 64.80, bear below 64. Let's head on over to the gold pit. Gold futures. All right, so 1740 is really the key level on this daily chart. As you can see, there's room to go up, so that's why I'm bullish above that. And bear below 1730, we've just gone below that, touched it. We actually went below it here, came back up to it, resistance. So right now is bearish. Let's head on over to Bitcoin futures. Yeah, kind of stuck in, not really the best place. Doesn't look like the best trade today, but bullish above 56,200. If it can break above here, there's room. Bear below 54,250. Most likely will go down there if we do go down. All right, let's go to the individual stocks. We're going to start with NEO. Bullish above 44.50 and bear below 42.25. It's already gone down and hit quite a few targets. So next level would be 41.50. We've already tested it once and bounced. So that second test, that would be your next really good entry for NEO. Let's go to Plug. Plug got smushed, yeah, over the night. Yeah, look at that. Really crashed down there. Is it going to be a retracement trade today or further downside? So that's also when we want to look at that 15 exponential moving average on a 5-minute. And you can see the trend change. We're above it. So that's usually a gap down and retracement trade. Drop and pop is what I call it. And that's why I was bullish above 35, major level. And as soon as we went above it, check out the volume that came in. Yeah. Actually, over here is when it first happened. And you could even see the volume increased. Yeah, so we're in retracement mode. Watch a possibility to go up to this 100 especially. So yeah, trade it level to level. Right now, 36 is the next major level. Okay, bear below 34. Yeah, I really love that trade this morning. CCL, bullish above 29. Yeah, so we're kind of stuck in between the 4 and the 8 here. So if we can break above 29 or bear below 28. Yeah, it looks more bearish to me. We have a bearish engulfing right here. This is another bearish topping. Almost looks like it could be in like a distribution pattern, but we'll see. Anyway, bear below 28 today. AMC was a great retracement trade yesterday, back down to the 4. And we're holding that, the 4 EMA. So today, bullish above 1350. And you can see there's a lot of traffic on a 5-minute right here. Yeah, a lot of resistance. So that's why I went up higher. Bear below 1225. Yeah, wide levels for this. We'll see if it can move. FXI is the China large cap ETF. We had massive prints on this yesterday. I did post this on the app. Today, bullish above 49, bear below 47.80. This is probably going to be more of a swing trade. It moves a little bit slower, but every time I say that, they move faster. So we'll see what happens. Day trade, swing trade. Really key to watch this. It looks like possibly a dreaded kind of H. Possibly, right? Could get, yeah, we'll see. Level to level, watch the prints. Prints are at 48.50. We're below that and 48.33. But if we do close above that, then I'll turn bullish. Let's go to the next one. Ford had a 1 million share print yesterday as well, 12.53. Bullish above 12.75, bear below 12.20. Looks like the trend is turning on Ford. We'll see. That's also a slow mover, so could be a swing trade, but you never know. MRO, bearish on this one. Yeah, trend change. The 4 crossed below the 8. If it loses, like the oil futures, if it loses this 20 exponential moving average, look out below really quickly. Bullish above 1180, bear below 1124, coming down to that right now. Let's go to Exxon Mobil. Also, a little bit stronger because we're not quite at that 20 yet, but this 15 EMA, we tested it, bounced back, and now looking to go down to the 20 simple and exponential. So bullish only above 60, bear below 58.40. We did have a dark pool print at 61.03. Tesla is our last whisper. Talked about this yesterday in the afternoon meeting. How even though, fundamentals for the future looks really good, technicals are awful. Yeah, really ugly. So it's everything. As a trader, learning when to enter, especially long term, is going to really help you out. But this is what I pointed out in the afternoon meeting, is this dreaded possible H pattern. and that we really had to close above here, this H part. And it looks like we're headed down. We might do a double test here of a bottom, and then maybe we'll move up, and maybe we're going to form a W, right? We'll see. Timing is everything, but for the day trade today, bullish above 690 and bear below 647.50. So come join me if you're not in the training pit yet. Today I will be teaching you how to map out these trades and why I pick specific levels and which ones should you pick to trade and how should you trade them. So come join me. Until next time, happy trading.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret.